It's a little tougher when you're getting involved. The intimate's a struggle that can pick you apart. To hurt the one you love when you open your heart. These doubters infiltrating, tell me how can we solve these problems of perception? Now I'm left guessing. I'ma take the stress and the limits we tested. How do you your best when you're missing your best friend? When did they go wrong? I'm asking these questions. On and on so long, almost in obsession. Draining and prolonged, supposedly invested. Guess this is goodbye, so go and have your good cry. Someone new is what I think you should try.
We're not connected, and it creeps down. It's the misfire. It's good to shut them down. It's good to talk about what to talk about. We're not connected, and it creeps down. It's the misfire.
The beginning of the story flashes straight from the past. You try to ignore me, play too cool up in class. Our bodies exploding, hoping that this stuff could last. Infatuated with forever, reaching quickly the grass. Fleeting little moments that crumble like sand. Now we're in your moments, this rumble got out of hand. Low, no, no, deep, I toe. If it's not like this, no telling where it's gonna go. Every word I try to use breaks that is against you. What the freak I'm supposed to do? Can't do nothing right by you. Just trying some foreplay. Now I'm in a fight with you. Tweeting kisses for cusses, no matter what I try to do.
It's good to shut them down. It's good to talk what God wants to talk about. We're not connected, and it creeps down. It's the misfire. It's good to shut them down. It's good to talk what God wants to talk about. We're not connected, and it creeps down. It's the misfire.
Pushing those buttons and you're under my skin. Your words made forgotten, do anything to win. It's not a fair fight, no, I won't pick sides. Think you enjoy this, must be out your mind. If this is what it's come to, let's not waste time. After all the issues we've gone through, just can't be kind. The ins and the outs, the screams and the shouts. Was a dream, now it's down, completely worn out. But I don't think it's hate, just inevitable fate. The closer we get, it seems the more we grate each other's nerves, and we both deserve a much sweeter life. So don't fight the urge.
It's good to listen. It's good to shut them down. It's good to talk about what to talk about. We're not connected, and it creeps down. It's the misfire. It's good to shut them down. It's good to talk about what to talk about. We're not connected, and it creeps down. It's the misfire.
Once again, we are Fat Apollo and the Cellulites. We're all over the internet, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Bandcamp.